Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio Edifice Automatic, the EFK line. So this is going to work for all other variations with a different dial, and also the full carbon version because they have the same movement, the NH35A movement by Seiko inside. In case you are new to the channel guys, make sure to give the thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. I also have a full guide on also how to adjust the bracelet, so make sure to check it out as well guys, as well as fully winding your watch, so either using the manual winding or the automatic on the back, so the rotor. Now when you want to set the time and date on your Casio automatic watch or on mechanical watches in general, there is something that you need to take into consideration. Usually the date wheel will engage between 9 and 12 or 12 and 3 o'clock, or even both in case you have a day-date complication. So if I were to pull the crown to the last position, I am going to go past 12 o'clock, and you will be able to see that in our case the date wheel, so the wheel that actually turns on the date, is going to engage between 9 and 12 o'clock. So if I go past 12 o'clock, my date has changed. So what we want to do in order to protect the date wheel, so not to change the date while the date wheel is engaged, what you want to do is to have both of your watch hands in the lower part of the dial. And the easiest way to remember this is to set the time at 6:30. So this way your watch hands are going to be on the lower part of the dial. I'm going to set it a little bit to the left so that we can also see the date. Usually it is going to sit at 3 o'clock, but in this case we have it at 6 o'clock. Now in this position, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and in order to set the time and date, we are first going to set the date and then we are going to set the time. When we set the date, we are going to set the date 1 day prior to our actual goal. So let's say that my end goal is to make it the 15th. I'm going to make it the 14th, and then I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock manually until I arrive on the 15th, so my end goal, my desired date, and then I'm going to set the time because I want to know whether I am AM or PM. So let's do that. I'm going to pull the crown to the first position. After I have set the time at 6:30, now I'm going to rotate in a counterclockwise direction at this particular model, and I'm going to make it the 14th. As I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 15th. Now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position. As you can see, the seconds hand has stopped, and that is because this movement has a hacking. And now I am going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock. As you can see, the date did not change. Now I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock once again. Now the date has engaged, so the date wheel is engaged. And now I have arrived on my desired date, and I'm going to make it 4 a.m. So 4 in the morning. In case I am PM, I am going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock once again. As you can see, the date did not change. And now I'm going to make it 4 p.m. So 4 in the afternoon. And that is how you know whether you are AM or PM on your desired date. Now, because I have also set the time, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. The watch has started to move, and voila, I have set the time and date on my Casio Edifice Automatic, the EFK line. Also guys, if you want to see how to adjust the bracelet, so to shorten it in order to fit it to your wrist, I have a full guide on how to do that. Link in the description box below guys. If you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.